Good morning, everyone. Okay, so we have here the template that we are going to use. This is a template, so just double click this one to open. Just ignore this one. So as you can see, we are in the, if you open the file, you will be directed to the layout tab, as you can see right here. So of course we need to make our drawings in our model. Before drawing, please check the units or if it is correct. So just type units, UN or units, enter, and then change it to centimeters. Let's say for example it is in millimeters, so change it to centimeters. But of course you will be just copying this template, so it is already set. Anyway, pwede you can just change the precision na siguro, or pwede na po dili ganito lo. Okay, so you can start your drawing. So this is our drawing. I will be just drawing this one. I will be explaining some of the things I am doing for you to better understand. If you do not understand, hopefully if you will ask in our group chat, I can answer you immediately, but I will not assure you that I will be able to do that. I will be able to do that that immediately. So but I will do my best to, from time to time, see in the group chat if you have questions for me to answer those. Okay, so let's start. Let's say for example this one, para ba i-show ninyo? Of course kanina this part here, explain lang siguro na ako sa kabalo na may mag-line. So what you will do, kaning linya is dire na sa center. So let's say make a circle that is the diameter of 2.8. So I'll make a circle, click na po ni, and then type D, of course 2.8, enter. So this is the circle. So make a line going down 4.2, going side, that is 1.4, that is equals to 2.8, and then just naman din siya po. So it is 4.2. So nabalik na din yung dimension 4.2 maghapon siya. Just click it here in the quadrant of the circle, because that is aligned to the center. So of course this line here is 4.2. So just click this one here, and then here, then escape. And then this one wala na siya dimension, but it is on the center. So you can see, mind of these snaps. Okay, so as you can see, these are the snaps. If it is in the end, you will snap it in the end, it will be square. As you can see, it will show endpoint, and then center or midpoint, right? So that's how you are going to identify the snaps of a line that you are doing. Segue lang sa ako kadyot, regarding that one, you can right click here or type DS, drafting settings, and then go to this object snap. So what I told you, katong mga snaps, as you can see, endpoint, it will show you a square, midpoint, triangle, center, circle, geometric center, that's the same with the center, circle, nude, this one, and so on and so forth. So you can identify what snap you are snapping based on the symbols that you are seeing right now here in the object snap at the drafting settings dialog box. Okay, so I will continue. Line, that is 2.8 at the center. Okay, 2.8, and then this one, it's not in the quadrant, so this one is tangent. As you can see, this symbol is a tangent. Okay, so if you already snap the tangent, as you can see in the drafting settings, go to the object snap, as you can see, this is the tangent. Okay, so that's the symbol of the tangent. So if it will not show, let's say for example, it will be hard for you to show this one, you can just, of course, first you click this one for the line, don't click the second point yet, right click, and then go to the snap overrides and then tangent. So it will only snap the tangent part. Okay, as you can see, it did not stop the other snapping points, so it only snaps the tangent line. So this is for you to be able to snap only the tangent. Okay, okay, so let's continue. So just do this one. Okay, so we are finished. So as you can see, I have instructed you in the PDF, or no, the JPEG that I sent to you. I instructed you to use the 0.5 and 0.3 line weights. So this is the easiest way to, there are different ways in how to assign line weights. So this is one way of doing it. So if you will see here, these are the line weights, this is the type of lines, but arisa ta sa line weights. Okay, so just highlight all of this and then go here to the line weight layer or property. This is the properties in the ribbon. Is the properties portion of the ribbon. It is found in the home menu. So change this one to 0.5. Okay, so depending on how it is illustrated here, just follow it. So as you can see, this one is 0.5, this one is thinner, therefore it is 0.3, because we only use two line weights, 0.5 and 0.3. Okay, so this is it. Mauna niya ang inyong drawing. So next, this one. So you make a polygon, enter. Of course, this is a hexagon, therefore you will make 6 sides and then specify center of the polygon. Just inscribe it, and then you're asked to specify the radius, but it is not the radius that is given here. So therefore, you divide this one into 2, that is 2.45. 2.45. Okay, so as you can see, you need to rotate this one in order to make it the same as this one. Okay, so okay, and then I don't know if this one you already learned this one, but I think sorry. Yes, sakto. So just match prop this one, match prop or match properties. I don't know if this one is wala man diri gud akong copy, but if it is not in the so to katong akong ipa-screenshot ninyo on the notes that I gave to you, kuan siya, i-match prop lang ninyo, or you can manually change this one gihapon dere. Okay, so pwede ra gapon, but if you have already made or assigned line weight on a line, you can match these properties into here. Okay, so let's say for example MA, that is a shortcut, enter, and then click this one, and then enter to end it or escape. Okay, but if you let's try to escape this one. Okay, it's the same. So na, of course, don't forget to save your drawing. So as much as possible, save your drawings, because if you will not do that, ang mahitabuan na is, let's say for example, there is a power interruption, mag brown out makaha, maputol katong last ninyo nga na save dito ra to ma-save, so sayang ang inyong gibuhat. So try to make it a habit to save your drawings. Okay, so just press Ctrl S. Okay, so let's continue this one. So in making this, just make a line here, make a circle, as you can see, make a circle on this center line, or there is still other way on doing this one, but I will just show you this way para madali na lang mo, para makamantanan dayon. So click this one and then snap it on the center of this one, and this point and this point. Okay, so in order for you to do that, you can right click your mouse before clicking, right click sa your mouse and then snap overrides, and then select this one mid between 2 points. Okay, so after doing that, click this point, the 2 points that you want to get the center, so this one, and click this one. So of course it is snapped in the center, this one. So to show you that it is on the center, I will trim this one. Okay, so this is only this is the center, as you can see, of the line that we made. Or yes, just erase that one, and then what you're going to do for you to dili na to nyo buhaton diri ang uban, just do an array command, and then select polar, click here at the center of this polygon, this hexagon. If the center will not appear, let's make it again. Okay, array, as you can see, click this one, select objects, and then enter. Select polar or here, or type P. As you can see, the center did not appear yet. But if you hover your mouse in this hexagon, it will appear. So just click that one, and then select the option items or type I, and then type the numbers of items to be arrayed 1, 2, 3, that is 3, enter 3, and then enter, and then sorry, let's try it again. Array, enter, click this one, enter, polar, select the center of the array, and then this one shows, click items, and then 3, enter. As you can see, it is already been done, but dili pa na siya humana. So as you can see, wala pa siya na exit. Pwede na nato escape, and don't escape that one, because kung escape na ninyo, murag mawala siguro. I will try to escape pa, kay naanad ba ko nga enter good, so escape ni okay ra gyapon escape niyo. But as you can see, usa pa ni siya, so you cannot trim this one. Let's say for example, if you will trim this, I'll make a line to trim. Dili na niyo siya matrim. So what you're going to do is, for this to be trimmable, or may mo na good check separate objects, just explode it. So X, enter. As you can see, if I'll trim this one, it can be trimmed already. Okay, so this is it. Oh, not yet there. So of course you will be using 0.3 for this one. 0.3. Okay. So ana. Sorry for that interruption. So okay, so we go to this one. Regarding well, I'll just make this one. So polygon, again, make a polygon. How many sides is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is octagon. Specify center and then inscribe 5.6. That is 5.6 divided by 2. Lagyan na 2.8. So radius niya 2.8. And then rotate this one. O, enter. Rotate. As you can see there, you can pwede ra po ninyo i-angle, but for you to easily rotate this one on your desired face or position, just click this or type R reference, and then click this first point here and the second point, then rotate. Okay. Kasi hindi mo match prop eh. Hindi mo match prop. Sorry, galibog kung ano dito na sa match prop. Sige, dapat ako. Pero lagi siya. Gini something wrong ano eh. Hindi mo match prop oh. Ang kulay nga. Usually mo match prop naman na laos. Pwede rin kayo mga laos niya. Oh, sorry, dili po dahil kayo. Type man mag-angkol. Digid siya mo match prop. Nalibog ko nga ano. Anyway, baka ko pa siya explode. Explode ah. Hindi siya match prop eh. Hindi ko na. Karoon pa ko naka-encounter po na ginanaan eh. Anyway, pwede naman po ninyo eh. Usban na lang ninyo dali. Usban na ninyo dali. Ang dili match prop. Ganyan lang na salbadan. Loh. Usab sa kung match prop oh. Ano ganyan? Usab ko ganyan. Ba? Mao di ay as you can see tungod niya niyo na-appeal ta ni siya ganiha sa pag-select katong nagkuanta nag array ta. So explode lang ninyo. Gini. So mao ta diferensya ngayon di siya ma-match prop. So as you can see na match prop na siya. So that's also a problem if you will not explode the objects that you arrayed. Okay, so hopefully na kana bago na ako nakatunan actually. Dili nakabalo na din ko ana sa una but wala ko galibog kung ano. So mao to hinungdan. Sige, so padayon lang ta. So in making this one kani dili ni siya ang sige tisukod ayun niya eh. Sige mo na sa akin. So na center and this one. So this diagonal line in here kani siyang angle naka-angle. Trikes. So, kana siya. Okay. So, dire din na sa center na gigo. So, as you can see, center na dire. Kani center ani center na kabalo naman sa na paghimo. The same sa katong gibuhat niyo dire. Or just type MTP. Pwede niya right click or type mo MTP. Pareha na siya tong between mid 2 points MTP. So nasa center diri. Trim this one. So natali. So analyze lang ninyo sa angay nga i-array ani. So I think kanira meron lang nila ako. Be careful sa inyong pag-array ha kay basig na mag-double nga linya. Let's say for example you will array this one. Ay ganitanan yung array pula, click this one. 8 items and then 8. So explode. As you can see doble na ni linya ko nimo ba mo doble na linya. So dili na siya maayo. Anyway, pwede raman pud na siya. Ato lang buhaton para din mawala na yung doble nga sapaw-sapaw nga linya. Just use the command I forgot overkill. So overkill. So this will clean your drawings. because kana mo kung naglapaw-lapaw ang linya makabugat na sa drawing. So as much as possible kani tanawan niyo siya naka-check kana ra sila. Okay, then as you can see, if I will move this line here, as you can see ni usa na po siya. So usa po na siya para mahagaan ang drawing. Kato ganiha is kani ra man tong linyaha, di ba? I will copy na ako para kita na ko sa kung wala pa na usab pa na ako gi command ang overkill. Redo. So you can see na usa ng linya dire dili pa, di ba? So kana as the overkill will clean your drawing. So mas mugaan po na yung ang imong drawing kung imong overkill, because this line is composed of two line. Kani siyang linya, di ba? As you can see, pwede ra man tani usa. So mas mugaan na siya kung muusa na siya pareha ni. Okay? So as much possible wala yung mga linya nga nag-interlap sa usag-usa. Okay, so use the overkill command for that. Okay, so mao na siya. I think dili na ko kinahanglan mag-discuss ang uban. Yes, dili na ko kinahanglan ani, nakatuon na ninyo tanang makatuon na ninyo dire. So it will be up to you kung saan niyo pag-diskarte dire. Okay, so let's say for example you have finished your drawing. Ano yung drawing? Of course, don't forget let's say for this one day kani lang tamog tip pod. Pwede, di ba? Ato man siyang ilisan pa 0.3, di ba? Or let's say image prop, pwede ra po na to siya image prop. Pwede ra po, pero kung di siya maselektanan, mas dali man kung ato na lang i-deselect kaning outside, because kausara man ta mo click ani. So select that all and then deselect that one. I-deselect na nako. How to deselect it? So select all. To deselect it, just press shift. Okay, shift lang ha, hold lang ha, shift, hold shift and then click whatever you want to deselect. Let's say for example this one. So as you can see, it was deselected, and then of course you change that one to the assigned line width. Okay, so that's it. That's how you are going to deselect an object or a drawing. Okay, so kani if you are finished with your drawing, let's go to the layout. So this one is the layout. In the layout, a viewport is already, a viewport is already set. Kanina set na sa to ang drawing. Okay, so let's continue. So as you can see, we are in the layout tab. So ready for printing na siya, long na siya, automatic na inyong mabuhat. So isang dito na ko ganun viewport. Yes, viewport na siya, viewport daan. So mao na siyang viewport. Ako lang si deselect ka. Mo siguro to yung viewport kasi mao gini ang viewport. Dili daw mo. Or kani baka hindi pa tubol round niya. So I think nasa sulod kani mo na siyang viewport. As you can see, kaning na-move na ako karon, mo na siyang viewport. So let's say for example na-delete na ninyo. So this viewport, let's say for example na-delete na ninyo, pwede naman maghimog balik. MV lang, MV and then select lang diri ana. Click lang diri niya diri pud sa lower corner, so makita na niya yung drawing. Or let's ug kato siya wala pa nakita para ganiya naa naman na siya diri. Ang buhaton ninyo ani kay i-double click lang ninyo laos nya zoom lang Z enter nya extends kani extends enter. Okay, so pero kung hindi na i-delete kasi wala na siyang wala na tayo viewport diri, just type MV and then wala. Automatic magawas na siya diri. Okay, so ano na siya itong drawing. So let's say for example humana mong drawing, i-double click lang ninyo to enter the viewport. So this viewport is like a window through the model. So makita ninyo ang model through this viewport. Okay, so if ato ni siya i-double click, makasulod na ta, as you can see ang cursor na to naputol na, di ba kahili, di ba atay balik ka click ta, double click ta gawas kana tibuok ra tong cursor kana. To make this cursor dai kung inani niyo gusto nga cursor, kung infinite ang iyang cursor, you can type OP enter and then there is a drafting settings display. So crosshair size di 100% na nalin. So mahimo na para sa ako. So again, going back to the viewport, just double click this one, or you can just type the M space so automatic mosulod naman sa viewport ana. Okay, i-release ninyo na magawas mo sa viewport, you can double click pareha ra gapon, double click lang ka sa gawas or type P space or PS. So naka-release na ta. Next is sulod na ta dire. After doing that, set your drawing into are mo dire sa status bar. You will see this is the scale nga inyong i-apply sa inyong drawing. So just click this 1:1 and then mauna na gid akong siyang drawing, and then pan kung naa pa may drawing dito sa ubos, ipan lang ninyo padang taas. Okay, so kana ra maoran na sa pa. Okay, sa kanide. So I want you to the file that I give you kaning akong i-send ninyo ang Oslo template layout metric kani nga image apil giniya. So mawala ni dawat ninyo ani. Why? Because this one is not embedded in this file or this AutoCAD file. So if I select this one, select ni ani move na ko kita. I select this one, go to the properties. If wala pa man na nakita niyo properties, you can type, nalimot ko sa search ko sa properties, Y mo siguro, Y dili, control Y dili po, just type properties na lang, properties, sorry, M man siguro ang properties, M, dili po, nalimot ko sa properties, type lang properties. Sumugas ng properties dire. If you select the object kani na mugawas yung properties, as you can see it is a raster image. So meaning raster image dili na siya embedded dire sa drawing na to. So if it is embedded, it will show only image. OLE image. So pakit-on ta mo, let's say for example kani siya, maybe na mo snapping tool sa inyong drawing, pwede ra gamiton yung snapping tool para makahimo mo fully image na snap lang ninyo. So, for example na kanilang so ay lang po pakita ni mga dapat limpyo siya. Ako lang para limpyo gud para klaro. So snap na ako. Pagkuha lang mo sa internet og drawing kani or asa mo makakita og logo, tarunga lang pud yung snap pa nga tungod ra pud siya, dili siya na center siya. Yan na, i-copy ra na niyo, control C. I-paste niyo dire. So, igtanaw niyo dire nakauli na siya. Okay? So, mao na siya i-diferensya. Di na siya naka-embed na siya dire sa CAD file. Okay? So, kana basin maglibog mo mawala ang inyong kaniba. So I want you to learn this one. Maybe you will encounter this one sa ubang mga drawings, so much better that you already know this one. Next is for the text. So I suggest mas maayo gid ay. Depende ra pud ay kung taas kaayo yung pangalan or kani. Ako ari ko sa date submitted because in the date submitted sige para makasabot na mo. So let's say for example the title of our activity is geometrical figure. So type text. Pwede ra ari dire, pwede ra sa gawas or dire ba, pwede ra pud. So geometrical figures, figure. So I don't want you to use this Arial text specific ta. So use the Romance, ROMS, Romance, because in the Romance ma-applyan man na to line weights. So let's say for example ang line weights na to ani is 0.5. Mahimo ko na siya 0.5. But of course our standard is 0.3. So 0.3 na siya. Okay. Next is i-move na ulit nato, nakasnap pa siya dire. As you can see, it is not the same height with our guidelines. So in order to do that, we need to scale it up. So we need to use the scale command and then click enter, click this point here, and then there is a option reference. Click that one, then click it again here, the snap here, and then at the bottom put nga snap, and then drag, or sorry, i-click lang ninyo dito sa kung asa mo padulong or asa dapit ang point nga inyong pareha gidakpon sa inyong text. The same as ubang mga line na naragya pa ng paggamit sa scale. So move this one to the center, or before you move that one, I highly suggest to make this, go to the properties, click this one, go to the properties, and then click top center, or basta kayo naka-center lang siya, top center lang, and then as you can see naka-center na niya itong text, yung batang na niya dito sa center. Entry na ba dyan? Okay, so as you can see mauna na siya. So ato ni siyang kapihon, butang na to siya. Mostly sa date yun ni siya taas kayo malapas. So pakita lang tama. So October, let's say October, ang deadline na to, let's say lang palit pa lang deadline, October 10, 2023. But mostly, most probably October 2 or naara na sa October 2 to October 5, siguro 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. October 2 to October 6 dahil. So let's say ako lang butang tabutin. As you can see, nalapa siya. So what we're going to do is pagamyan ninyo, paniwangon ninyo yung text width. So just double click this one, highlight it, and then go here in the formatting, change this one. So i-down lang na. Oh, as you can see, nasakto na siya. So what I want you to do is, as you can see, dako kasi diferensya. As much as possible, dili lang kasi dakog diferensya. Let's say pila man ang width ani niya, balik ka. Ang width ani niya is 0.6. Okay? So ay lang pud ni paabtag kani 1.0 man ang width ani, let's say 0.7 lang pwede ra. Basta dulduo lang siya, di kay siya layo. Let's say 0.8, tanawon na to. Di ba kay siya lain tanawon? Medyo okay na siya, medyo dili pod. But I suggest kanina lay gamitan ninyo nga text. Patang nyo dere. Or ilisan lang to ninyo, sorry. Or kana kapiyon ninyo or ilisan na lang ninyo o 0.6. Para uniform tanan ang iyong text dere. Kay kung dili siya uniform, kamo ganahan mo magtanaw, lain po gaayo sa magtanaw kung dili uniform, di ba? Okay, so kana kapiyan na ninyo, then copy po dere. Plate number, what is the plate number ani? Or kung naamboy mo mas gamay, let's say 5, gamay naman kay na, ay lang kay mapalabig. Kato ingon ako ninyo, let's say for example 6 ni or atoy butag 5 niya. Kay gamay na gyud kay grabe na gyud kay kan, or grabe na kay kaniwang. Alam po ninyo, 5 na lang, 6 na lang ninyo at least. Okay, grabe na po. Okay rin po niyo, okay rin mo ng 5. Sige, kung salay pinakagamay, basta kay as much as possible, dili siya dako kay diferensya pareha ni. For example, ako ni siyang i-tender, i-wonder eh. Dako ra po kay diferensya. So, as you can see, dili uniform ang iyahang width. So, ako ang palantaw, di mo ganahan. Mas nindot yun og pareha tanan para uniform. So, okay ra po na. Actually, depende na siya sa standard sa inyong trabahoan. Okay. But ako gusto ko mas dool siya, mas uniform siya. Kapihan na lang ninyo para sigurado. So, okay, plate number, let's say 1. Kanida eh. As you can see mo, ubos siya tungod aning close and open parenthesis. Just move that one na lang para di ba ninyo ni masnap? Di ba na banaan na lang ninyo nga nasa center. Center. Yes. Okay. So, makamao na. Ayan kayo nag-skip to ha. So, kana kabalo naman sa pagkuan diri. Butangi pag timestamp diri. Timestamp. Ay lang i-center kanilang left. Move lang ninyo space mga 2 mm lang. 1 siguro. Sorry. Centimeter man din eh, 0.1. 0.1. Sorry, 0.2 na lang kayo. Gamay na kayo 0.1. 0.2. Change this one. Regarding this one, kani kay gi-shot ra man nato, wala man ni siya 0.457 man ni ang size ani niya. So kani i-change ni siya ninyo og 0.2. Okay? As you can see, print ninyo ani batang paday time. Sorry. Bantay mo to kay mo-move. Time spent, say 5 hours. So kani i-print ani magsikit na gini silang duha. What you will do is highlight ninyo ari mo sa formatting na pod, kita man ng AB. Pwede na ninyo padakan. So at least kaniyo one, at least ang gap niya is 0.1 mm or mga 0.2 mm, okay na. So kani madala na ni. Okay naman to. Na to unang panahon ko sa sige kani okay na. Time spent. Right. Okay, so I think that's it. Baba. Wala na sa drawing. So if nahumanan ninyo tanan, kani yung drawing, nahumanan ninyo tanan, you are ready for printing. So na naman mo dire. Control P na lang mo, or pwede ra po dire print ninyo, or pwede ra po dire plot. Before dem mo mag-plot day kani day, or pwede ra po i-plot na ninyo laos. Sige, sagdukan lang tama ng setup. So before mo mag-plot, ma-setup na ninyo daan yung plot, pwede ra dire sa setup manager, or pwede ra po ninyo i-plot na ninyo setup ni dire. Pero aray lang ta sa layout manager para makat-on po mo ani. So as you can see na ako sa layout, diba? Layout. I-modify lang na ako kani layout kani tanawa modify. So as you can see here, mao ni akong printer. Kaniya sundan ninyo yung printer, snapshot na ninyo. And then set this one into monochrome. The purpose of that is to make your drawing black and white ragid siya. Wala no na siya labot sa image. Ang image, let's say for example pareha ning kuan kaning logo mo kuan ni siya, mo colored gini siya. Okay, so asa na gagawa to? Kari dahil sa setup. Balik pa ni. Sorry kaya interrupt ka. So kaniya drawing to PDF. Mao na inyong button. And then kani produce paper size. Kani lang. Marag automatic naman siguro na sa inyo, but if di siya automatic, ano yung button. Ari mo sa properties. Ug dili ni siya magawas sa wala mo aning paana. Ako sa ni snapshot para maka pwede rin pag dili na lang. So properties, and then go to custom paper sizes. Ari mo sa device and document setting, ayaw sa general, ayaw sa ports. Device and document settings, custom paper sizes, and then add. So start from scratch. Next. So you will be kani unsa may gusto niyo, inches or millimeters. So metric man ta dire, so millimeters lang. Then kani mo ni size katong unsa to size ato, sundan lang to ninyo. And then kana next, next ra na. After that magawas na dire, either nasa pinakaubos or nasa pinakataas. Okay, so hopefully nakara ninyo, dili lang kung may elaborate kana kato naman sayo naman yung kita sabtan. Next is ayun, if ito paper naka-auto naman po ni siya dire. Kani siya mm naka mm ni mm or inches naman ni. So naka mm ni siya 0.1 ang unit niya because centimeters man atong gamit as you know. So 1 millimeter is equals to 0.1 centimeter. So that is why 0.1 is the unit that we indicated here. So let's say for example we use the mm. So of course we will put 1 here if 1 is to 1. So don't check this one out, piece of paper. Just follow all of this that you are seeing right now. So check this one, plot. Sorry, paper space. Just check also this one, plot with plot styles. I think that's it. And then As you can see here in the plot style table, soon I will be teaching you, I'll be sharing to you how to, I don't like really, sige, basta, I'll be sharing you how to make the plot style, but for now, just choose the plot style monochrome. So the monochrome, hindi ko no, siguro na ako ganyan, monochrome will make your drawing black and white ragyod. Oh na, yung muna dito ni ganyan. Kuya ganda nang putol-putol dai. So kanira dili ma monochrome ni kaning tanang text diri apil ni mo monochrome na siya, black and white ra na i-print. So ayaw ning kuha na, ayaw ng grayscale because grayscale mo gray na ang uban. Kasi example kanang colored mo gray na yung colored text. So monochrome ra gyud para black and white. Okay. Then close. I-refresh ninyo ana or regenerate or REA or regenerate all, so you can see na usag niyo siya. Mao na po nimo gawas i-print ninyo ani. Kasi nakita niyo dire mao na nang print. Let's say for example, makita lang ta mo. Kani man gud siya is naka-black man gud ni. Let's say for example, ako ni siyang ilisan og yellow. Yeah. So you can see here ana yellow. But if you will regenerate that one, or sorry, regenerate, nalagay siya na monochrome na ba yun ako. Let's see, monochrome, naka-monochrome naman siya. Ano man, flat styles. Balik ko dira, base ko lang ako na check. Display plot styles. Oo naman. So i-check ninyo yung display plot styles. Kung ano sa'yo nakita ninyo sa inyong layout, that will also be the printout. So di ninyo i-check kung colored to siya, colored pa po na makita ninyo, lahi ra makita ninyo sa printout. So pakita ang tama, okay. Ako ni siya, di nila ako check okay, close. So, as you can see, karon nakita ninyo kaniyo, dili siya color, di ba? Isa gato pa nang i-regenerate. Blue ra gyapon na, but ato nang i-print preview na to, preview. Ano siya magawas? I don't know anong wala ni siya ni apil og color. Mga monochrome naman tana ako. Lain na pong Salvador nun. Tapos ay solbad niya mga ano ni pixelayan na ako lang yung color tanan ako. So kami lang lapod siya. Lambo na ito na ako gi-check. So balik ka dere, modify preview. So kana sana ka, let's see. Okay, close. Wala siya, wala ra siguro to ni apply. Kinahanglan siguro i-check and check to para mo apply. So kan siya yellow, ako kabalik og katong kolora kanang to. So, let's see. Regenerate. Dili ko siya i-regenerate. Kinahanglan gid siguro check and check. Let's see mao ba gid ang ako ang panaghap. Okay, close. So balik ta pud dito. Take it up, modify, check me, and then okay, close. Higapon, hindi siya ma-apply itong kulura. Wala dahil itong kulura sa monochrome. Hindi siya. Patanawin sana ko ang ano. Para nampol lang po may makasugat niya maani. So click, pwede rin ninyo i-click ang monochrome kani siya, mao na siya ang pag-edit sa plot style na to. So as you can see, kani naka-black na sila tanan, but ako tong taon-awon katong kolora sa madapita. Wala man diri tong kolora lagi. Tungod siguro kay wala to diring kolora. Ug wala to diring kolora. Ano ba sa? Ito itong nambira. Ako tananan sa ning nambira nga kolora. 1,000 ano ni? Kuni 245 ito pa ni. Index color mga color. So wala ni siya na-appeal sa kato nga color dito. So just select colors nga kato lang usual nga colors. Diba kanimo lang gipili ay lag ko pili aning diri nga color ano na diri pili. Yung pulo kinahanglan. Depende kung dako na kay ang project kinahanglan daghang color mga colors. Pero karon ay lang sa diri lang sa mapili oh. Okay, tudluan man punta mo saan pag set up atong puhon. Tudluan ta mo saan pag set up atong flat style. Ano saan pag set up ani. Kung saan paghimo ginyong kaugalingong flat style. So naman lagi tawag og new diri diha ta maghimo. Or pwede bang mag-research ani daan. Okay, so mao na niyang output na to. Print, control P. Okay na ni siya. And preview. I-print na niya ni PDF na ni long na ni siya laos. Okay? So print ninyo. Mangita na siya location. Say documents, katong gibutangan na kana. Say dire na kay butang. Save. Or before you save that one, ilisi sa ninyo ngalan ang inyong drawing. So close ako niya, pwede ka na i-close. Always save gid ang inyong drawing niya. So as you can see, Oslo pa man ang ngalan na pwede niyo ilisan o activity number 1 para dili mo ma-confuse ang mga activities. Or plate number 1. Number 1. Okay, so kana double-click ninyo. And then ignore lang ya print review okay na ba print and then okay, so as you can see plate number 1 na siya paalan ng layout mao na siyang naani siya dash layout is because tungod na siya ni if daghan ta diri let's say layout 2 mubutang pa na siya layout 2 diri layout 3 mubutang siya layout 3 depende kani ma-rename mo pud nimo. Okay, so pwede ra po direta na ng butang activity, butang na mag-activity number 1 ni, activity number 2, and so on and so forth. Pwede ra gina. So let's say for example, kana lang save. So na siya dito, mao na ni ang PDF. Mao na ni inyo ipa-print sa gawas and then mangayo po ko og AutoCAD copy din ninyo nalimot ko butang sa instruction. Sige, pala po itong ipapa sa instruction. So kana lang og na may pangutana. Pangutana lang ko. Okay? So I think sanana na dire ya. Sanana siya dire. Mga na siya. Okay, so close na ako. Kamo na bahalag pangitag paagi sa anto niyo pag para ma-challenge pud mo kay kani hinungit naman ang at least ang katong tulo kamo ang maghimo or magpahimo mo. Depende ra ninyo kung mo gusto mo katon. Okay? So I guess that's it. Hopefully you have learned a lot for you to be able to make your activity or play first activity. Sige, sa kato lang ha, pangutahan na lang sa GC o matubag na ako, labing maayo o dili. Try to learn it on your own. Of course, college naman mo, that's maugid unta na, dili lang kita mohungiton. Di gyud mohungiton. And then, of course, may mga there are a lot of YouTube videos. I-search na ninyo dito. Actually, naagi ni siya sa YouTube, but sa YouTube, lahi ang sukod ato niya, lahi ang paagi. So, kana. Okay, so hopefully ma-perfect na ninyo. Yeah, bahala mo kung saan anay mo. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.